Welcome to Table's tutorial for using your inflatable sealed air frame game. When you open the box that the game comes in, you'll find a carrying bag that you can use to transport the unit. Inside this bag is everything you need to set up your frame game: the game itself, the air pump and the tube, the stakes, and a container that has patches and glue in case you ever need to repair the inflatable. Your first step after letting everything out will be to unstrap the inflatable and remove the air pump. When you connect the tube to the air pump, make sure you are connecting it to the side that says Inflate. Push and twist the connector in as seen here. After this, lay out the frame game on the ground so that it loosely resembles an uppercase A. You're then going to find the air cap and remove it by twisting it counterclockwise and pulling it out. Make note of the two small plastic bars inside the airway. You're going to insert the plastic tube so that the spaces in the nozzle line up with these bars, and twist clockwise so that it locks into place. Now inflate your game with the air pump. This may take a little while, so pump at a steady pace and be sure to stay hydrated, especially if it's hot outside. Once the frame game is inflated, unpack the stakes that come included and drive them into the ground through all 4 loops at the corners of your inflatable. Now get your panel ready. Unfold it and attach it to the Velcro of the frame game as seen here. You may need to adjust it after attaching it so that the panel is even and not wrinkled, so keep working at it until it looks good. You may want to push your arm into the hole targets so that the baskets are fully expanded and that any ball thrown in doesn't get caught in the opening or bounce out. Your sealed air frame game is now ready to use. Also note that your sealed air frame game is double-sided. Both sides of the frame game feature Velcro strips that you can attach your panels to. So if you have more than one panel, you can have one attached to both sides to double the fun. When you're finished with it, remove the panel and fold it for storage, and remove the stakes from their loops. You may remember that your air pump has a deflate nozzle as well, but this is not used to deflate your frame game. Instead, open the nozzle of the air hole again and push the small yellow button in the center. The air inside the unit is not pressurized enough to hurt you, but you will see that the unit quickly deflates as the button is pressed. As it nears the point of being flat, walk on the parts that still have air in them to help get the air out of the unit. Roll the frame game tightly with the air pump. Tie it off with the included strap. After this, return it to the carrying bag along with the air pump tube, the stakes, and the repair product container. The balls and the panel ship separately from the frame game, but may also fit in the bag if you roll the frame game tight enough. Thank you for watching. For more help with rental product setup, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also reach out to our customer service representatives with any other questions you may have.